Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Lufthansa website not working. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this step to fix it. So first of all, you will just open your google.com. So at here you will just search for the site Lufthansa. So at here we can just do it. So I will just open it. So here we can see the website. So if it's not working for you, then you have to uh, follow these steps. So first of all, you have to check your internet. If your internet is slow, then you have to change to the faster internet. Okay. Then second thing, it can be in the uh, under maintenance also. You can contact the contact support, or you can just go to the help here and you can raise your query and they will fix it. If the site is also not working, it can be because of the some visa regulations like this under like maintenance, or some like internet issue, some web server issue. That's why if you want to fix it, you have to wait like about 24 hours and it will be fixed. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.